Hey everybody, this is Chris. That's my Jeep back there. And boy oh boy, is it a beautiful day here in Northeast PA.
Winter is coming.
Okay, Jon Snow. Debbie Downer.
Winter is coming.
I checked, and the Queen of Thorns is actually right. The temperatures are dropping, and they're dropping fast.
I imagine you might be rather cold.
Not this season, because this season I'm installing elite ballistic heated seat covers from Rugged Ridge. The seat covers feature their 1200 denier fabric, the same fabric used in their C2 and C3 cargo covers, and an integrated switch to turn on and off the heated elements. They're very well packaged and constructed, and inside you'll find a completely wired harness ready to install. The fit and finish is excellent, and they're wired to switched power for convenience and safety. What's the current temperature?
It's 32 degrees outside.
Yeah, but how warm is my butt?
I figured as much.
What's that supposed to mean?